Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn 10 useful English idioms that native speakers use commonly. Ready? Let's go. The first idiom is to kill two birds with one stone. This idiom means to do two useful things with one single action. For example, I listen to English podcasts while cooking to kill two birds with one stone. She studies vocabulary on the bus to kill two birds with one stone. She buys groceries online to kill two birds with one stone, saving time and fuel. Number 2. In the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye means very quickly. For example, the thief disappeared in the blink of an eye. The school year ended in the blink of an eye. The bird flew away in the blink of an eye. Number 3. A bone of contention. A bone of contention is a topic that people strongly disagree about. For example, money is a bone of contention in many families. Screen time is a bone of contention between parents and teenagers. His working hours are a bone of contention at home. As dry as a bone. It means extremely dry. For example, the riverbed was as dry as a bone in summer. My lips felt as dry as a bone after the flight. The bread was as dry as a bone. Rough and ready. This idiom means simple but useful. For example, we made a rough and ready plan before the meeting. They built a rough and ready fence around the garden. He drew a rough and ready map for the trip. 6. Cool, calm, and collected. It means relaxed and in control, not nervous or upset. For example, she stayed cool, calm, and collected during the interview. The pilot remained cool, calm, and collected in the storm. Try to stay cool, calm, and collected in difficult situations. To cut a long story short. It means to give only the main points and not all the details. For example, to cut a long story short, the project failed. To cut a long story short, they moved abroad. To cut a long story short, we missed the train. 8. Pass the buck. Pass the buck means to refuse responsibility by blaming someone else. For example, he passed the buck instead of fixing the problem. The manager passed the buck to his assistant. They tried to pass the buck when the plan failed. The noun form of this idiom is buck passing. It has the same meaning. It describes the act of avoiding responsibility. For example, buck passing creates problems in teams. The company criticized the culture of buck passing. There is too much buck passing in politics. And the last idiom for today is to give someone a hard, rough, or tough time. It means to treat someone unkindly or make things difficult for them. For example, my boss gave me a hard time today. The teacher gave him a rough time for being late. The press gave the politician a tough time. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like the video and follow for more English lessons. See you next time. Bye.